Hello and welcome to the video demo for CS2340 Team 6's mini project 3 for the take-home final. This mini demo, I am going to showcase that we have met the requirements for this mini project in our implementation. So for this project, we were asked to implement a set of classes that would be able to describe the organizational structure of Yellowcoats and to generate reports. We elected to use a form of the composite design pattern for the structure of the organization. So for the employees, we're kind of implemented basically as a composite pattern. What we mean by this is that employees hold on to information on their sub-employees. So to access information on a sub-employee, you have to find their manager, and then you'll get that will have a pointer to the sub-employee. So to show that we've implemented this in a way that can generate reports, we have this workplace controller class, which is actually the class that generates the reports, whereas the employee class holds information on an individual employee and references the sub-employees. The salary class is a class to reflect that a salary is an integer but needs a string presentation for reports. So I'm going to show here in our main method of our workplace controller, we initialize all of our employees, we add them to the organizational structure, we generate a set of reports, then we add an additional employee as per the exam document, and then we add them to the organizational structure and we generate the reports. So I'm just going to run this to show that our reports are accurate. So starting all the way at the top of our output here, we have report 1 just grabs every employee in the organization. As we can see, we have kind of the top of the tree with James Borg, we have the R&D department, and then we have the administration department. Report 2 should just grab male employees with dependents. So we have basically 2 employees from R&D. Report 3 should grab female employees. So we have 2 employees from administration. And then report 4 averages the salary, and this is the average salary we get. Then we run the same set of reports, adding an additional sub-employee. So as we can see, the results are the same, except for we have this new employee, Joyce English, and it's reflected that they are managed by this particular employee. And they are also reflected in well, they're not reflected in these other reports. They're reflected in this report because they're a female employee. And they do not change the average salary. This is because their salary is like 140. So I think they don't impact the average for that reason. And that is our implementation of broadly following the composite pattern for the employee class with a controller class to generate the reports based on the employee classes. And I believe I have shown all implementation requirements pertaining to this mini project. Thank you for watching.